Hi YouTubers, welcome back to my next video on Giant Labs. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to install Raspbian in Raspberry Pi. Okay. In my previous video, I've told you that two downloads about your Raspberry Pi, Raspbian OS, and as well as one more thing, right? One more thing for USB, that kind of thing, right? So here I have inserted my SD card. You can able to see that is a E drive. So I have taken that E drive and then let me show you the download of this Raspbian. So this is the Raspbian latest version 29/11/2017. They have updated it and the size of it is like 4.5 GB, 58 GB. Okay, so let me select it. Let me select the device. Only one device is present and Win32 disk imager is that the software which we have downloaded in previous video. And just click on S, select the image file and click on S and wait for the progress to be done. Okay, so let us wait till it ends. So the basic thing is after downloading all these things, after installing those things, Windows 32 I have installed. That the thing I have not shown you, right? So you can install it anyhow, right? Double click on it, next. That's the thing. So I'll be not be showing that. So that's the reason. So now you can able to see the installation is going on. It is like 7%. Need not to change anything. Okay. So whatever the values are there, keep it as it is and just wait for the progress to be done. So let me pause the video for some duration of time and then let me show you when it is like at the end. Okay, otherwise if I keep every video, it will be like a long video kind of thing. It will be like how much time it took for me, I'll be telling you at last after I pause and then I do it. Now the time is like 4:01 PM, right? You can see at the down today video 4:01 PM. So if we see after pausing, now it's like 4:07. So it took me like around 6 minutes, 6 to 7 minutes it took me to install it. Okay, so that's the reason I'm discarded everything. Now you can able to see install successfully and write successful. Now click on OK and this format it is asking, just format it, no problem, because the OS already installed and it creates some partitions. You need not to worry what are those, everything I'll be telling you step by step. After installing it, you can't use Raspberry Pi directly. Okay, so the next step will be I'll be connecting my Raspberry Pi to my monitor at first, and that video will be like somewhat blur because I'll be doing with my mobile phone and it will be not be as much clear. So please excuse me. Okay, don't feel bad or don't hate me. Just subscribe my channel if you like this video. If you want this kind of videos on Arduino board, you can have a look in my playlist, as well as you can share these videos with your friends so that you will be learning and your group team will be learning. Your classmates will also learn. Hope you have liked this video. For more videos, stay tuned to my channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.